Hey there, fabulous ladies. Are you ready to unlock the secret to radiant health and vitality? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of Moringa powder and why it's a game changer for women everywhere. From boosting energy levels to supporting hormonal balance, this powerhouse superfood has some incredible benefits that you won't want to miss out on. So, grab your favorite drink, cozy up, and let's explore how Moringa can supercharge your wellness journey. Get ready to feel unstoppable. 1. Energize your day naturally. Picture this, it's midday, and instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, you can turn to Moringa powder for a natural energy boost. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals like iron and B vitamins, which are essential for energy production in the body. By incorporating Moringa into your daily routine, you can say goodbye to those energy crashes and hello to sustained vitality throughout the day. 2. Hormonal harmony. Maintaining hormonal balance is key to women's health, and Moringa is here to lend a helping hand. This superfood contains compounds like isothiocyanates that have been shown to regulate hormones, particularly estrogen. Whether you're navigating PMS symptoms or aiming for smoother menstrual cycles, adding Moringa to your diet can support hormonal harmony and overall well-being. 3. Glow from within. Who doesn't want radiant, glowing skin? Moringa is packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C, which help combat free radicals and protect the skin from damage. These antioxidants also promote collagen production, leading to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Whether you're dealing with acne, fine lines, or dullness, Moringa can help you achieve that coveted glow from within. 4. Strengthen your immunity. In today's fast-paced world, keeping your immune system strong is more important than ever. Luckily, Moringa is a powerhouse of immune-boosting nutrients. From vitamin C to zinc, Moringa provides the essential nutrients your body needs to fend off infections and stay healthy year-round. Whether you're battling seasonal colds or facing environmental stressors, Moringa has got your back. 5. Support your fitness journey. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Moringa can be your secret weapon. This superfood is an excellent source of plant-based protein, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Additionally, Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce muscle soreness and support faster recovery times. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to peak performance with Moringa by your side. Conclusion. There you have it, ladies, the incredible benefits of Moringa powder for women's wellness laid out in detail. From boosting energy levels to supporting hormonal balance, promoting radiant skin, strengthening immunity, and enhancing your fitness journey, Moringa truly is a game changer for women everywhere. So why wait? Incorporate Moringa into your daily routine and unleash the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, stay vibrant and unstoppable.